Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you a really cool app that you can use to create AI videos using a free tool that you can start with right away. This app is not 100% free, just like Grok AI. They gave us some free times to use it for free, and then later they turn it to a pay app that without subscription you cannot use it anymore. But this app I'm about to introduce to you, there is a way to use it for free. You can log in with different email, and then when one stop working, you can always change to another. Okay, the app I'm talking about is Google Vic. The app I'm talking about is Google Vic. Go to your browser and type in Google Vic. So scroll down. Okay, this is the app I'm talking about. Google Vic AI powered video creator and editor. This is the one I'm talking about, this particular one. Tap on it like this and then sign in to Vix. Choose your email account, sign in with Google. Okay, you are going to get yourself to this surface, then confirm your ratio. If you are shooting for YouTube, then you choose Netscape. Then if you are shooting for other app, maybe Facebook or TikTok, then you use this one. So after that, after confirming this one, then click on Vic 3.1. This one, that's very important. Click on it. Then they said create video that fits your screen. Okay, so I'm just going to close this one. Right here they said create from scratch. So if you want to add some avatar, your own ingredients, and then maybe your own voice, then you use this one, create from scratch. But for this purpose, for this video, I'm not going to use this one. So I'm going to click on this arrow where you see create from scratch. I'm going to click on this arrow to change it to animate an image. You understand? Animate an image. When you see this create from scratch, click the arrow, then you see animate an image. So once we click it, it will give you where you can add your image. So go ahead and pick your image. You can just click here to, okay, they said create content from image in workplace. Agree. So I'm just going to pick a picture. I'm going to pick an image. So let me just pick this kit. Let me pick this kit. So then right here, you write your prompt. For example, the boy in blue, says in, okay, Kit's voice. Okay, hi guys, welcome to our channel. Okay, the girl in pink says in Kit's voice, how are you doing today? So once you confirm your prompt, then we are going to click on generate. So in a few seconds this video will be ready. Finding this video helpful, use this medium to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Then let me know in the comment section the next tutorial you want me to do next, so we can work on it. Thank you for the support, and let's continue our tutorial. The video is ready.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. How are you doing today? Hey guys,
How cool is that? How cool is that? So what you are going to do next is to insert this video into this timeline. The sweetest part of this app is that you can edit your video straight away right on the same app. So no need for you to carry it to CapCut or other app to edit. You can combine all your clips at a go. So, and this video, this tool is generating 8 second video. So what I'm going to do right now is to insert our video into the timeline. Can you see it? Our video is here just like that. Our video is here just like that. The audio is perfect. The character is perfect, and the tool is also follow prompts. Some app won't follow prompts, but this app follow prompts exactly how you put it. And if you want to make another video, you just continue like that. Then once you are done, just click this button and click on insert again. Then you will be able to arrange your videos right here. So once you are done, if you want a voice over, you can do it right here. If you want to generate image, this is where you can generate image. So once you are done, you can also add a caption. You can also add caption to this video right here. Can you see it? How cool is that? How cool is that? So once you are done, let me show you how to save your video. So click here where you see file. Click here where you see file. Then click download MP4 video. Click file, then click download MP4 video. Downloading. So okay, so if you want to see your video, go up right here where you see this pink and plus sign. Go here. Okay, this is the video we just did. How cool is that? Right now you have your video ready. These are the video I did on the app, and I didn't pay any money at all. But you can see a watermark below the video. You can just go ahead after downloading your video. You can just go ahead to CapCut and edit the watermark. You can just cut it out or put a logo on the watermark. That's just it. And I hope you find this video helpful. If so, kindly subscribe and let know in the comment section the type of tutorial you want next. See you in the next one. Bye.